Good morning, children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Surya Vidyaniketan, third class, second term, Social Studies, Unit 4. Lesson name The Splendid South. Let us start. The Splendid South. In this lesson, we will read about some cities in South India. South India is splendid in many ways. Let us learn about its cities. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is warm throughout the year. The city gets a pleasant sea breeze. Rice is the main food. It is eaten with the sambar, rasam, and curd. People speak Tamil and English. People wear both modern and traditional clothes. Men wear vashi, dhoti, and shirt. They also wear trousers. Women wear saris during festivals. Girls wear a pavda, which is a long skirt. All the main festivals are celebrated here. Pongal, a harvest festival, is celebrated in January. Bharatanatyam is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. Here are some tourist attractions is there. The main attraction of the city is its beaches. Beaches, the Marina Beach and Edward Yortis Beach. The main attraction of the city is its beaches. The Marina Beach and Edward Yortis Beach in symbol like this. Look at pictures and observe. Other places popular with tourists are the War Memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, Fort St. George. Other places popular with tourists are the War Memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, Fort St. George, Government Museum, Coney Snake Park, and Kapileshwar Temple. Government Museum, Gandhi Snake Park, and Kapileshwar Temple. Government Museum, Gandhi Snake Park, and Kapileshwar Temple. Here are some pictures is like this, and observe the pictures. Some are the festivals are celebrated in most in Chennai, and temples are very famous in Chennai. Other places popular with tourists are the War Memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, Fort St. George. Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Most people speak Kannada. Metro is a popular mode of transport. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Most people speak Kannada. Metro is a popular mode of transport. Many companies have their offices here. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati is the future capital of Andhra Pradesh. The Charminar is the pride of the city. The Charminar was built to mark the end of in Hyderabad. It was completed in 1592. People speak Telugu and Urdu. Besides pits and biryani, the city is famous for its saris and like bangles. Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. People here speak Malayalam and English. The weather remains pleasant throughout the year. People celebrate Onam and Vishu with joy. Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, popularly known as Vizag. is the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. The Rishikonda beach is very popular among the people. Telugu is widely spoken. Vishakhapatnam, popularly known as Vizag, is the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. The south of India has various places to visit and many other very varied features which mark it splendid, which make it splendid. These all are the splendid south side cities. Okay, na childrens? Understand? Read lesson 2 to 3 times and watch video. Okay, na childrens? In previous classes, I gave the homework. Are you complete the homework? Okay, complete your homework. Okay, na childrens? Take care. Thank you, childrens.